Imagine launching a brilliant ad campaign, only to see it flop. Why? Because it reaches the wrong audience. Choosing the right Telegram channel is crucial for your campaign's success. Even the best ads can fail if shown to the wrong people. The right channel ensures your message hits the mark, maximizing engagement and results. Start by defining your target audience. Consider their interests, language, and location. Specificity is key. It helps you select channels that truly resonate. Not all Telegram channels are created equal. Ensure that channels' content align with your offer. For instance, promote dental services on healthcare channels. A large audience isn't always better, so focus on engagement and relevance. Channels with active, interested users outperform those with shared numbers. Leverage available data when selecting channels. Look at audience size and potential reach. These metrics help you refine your targeting for better results. Testing is essential. Start with few channels. Analyze their performance and optimize based on what works best for your campaign. By focusing on relevance, audience quality, and smart targeting, you can significantly boost your campaign's performance. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.